Today, we're diving into a topic that has long intrigued and divided gardeners everywhere. Is Epsom salt good for tomato plants? This question might seem simple at first glance, but there's a lot more to it than you might think. Let's explore the intricacies of this topic together. Firstly, it's important to understand what Epsom salt is. Epsom salt is not actually salt, but a natural compound of magnesium and sulfate. Both elements are crucial for plant growth and development, indicating potential benefits for our beloved tomato plants. Magnesium plays a vital role in chlorophyll production, which is essential for photosynthesis, while sulfate helps in the absorption of nutrients. Considering these roles, Epsom salt seems like a boon for tomato plants, promising lusher leaves and juicier tomatoes. But the reality is a bit more complex. The effectiveness of Epsom salt on tomato plants largely depends on your soil's existing magnesium levels. In soils that are magnesium deficient, Epsom salt can be a game changer, providing the much-needed magnesium for healthy plant growth. However, if your soil already has adequate or high levels of magnesium, adding Epsom salt could disrupt the delicate nutrient balance, potentially harming your plants more than helping them. To truly understand if Epsom salt is good for your tomato plants, it's essential to conduct a soil test before application. This test will reveal your soil's nutrient profile, allowing you to make an informed decision on whether Epsom salt can be beneficial in your specific case. Another aspect to consider is the method of application. Some gardeners swear by adding Epsom salt directly to the soil, while others promote foliar feeding, where the plants absorb nutrients through their leaves. Each method has its proponents, but the key is moderation and careful observation of your plant's response. In conclusion, the usefulness of Epsom salt for tomato plants isn't a simple yes or no answer. It heavily depends on your soil's magnesium levels and how you choose to apply it. For some gardeners, it's a secret weapon for healthier, more productive plants. For others, it might not make a significant difference. Thank you for watching. Gardening is an art that's as nuanced as nature itself. Whether it's Epsom salt or any other amendment, understanding your garden's unique needs is crucial. Remember, successful gardening is all about learning, experimenting, and growing, both plants and knowledge. Happy gardening!